y'all, back with another video. I'm at my grandma's house and I think we're supposed to be going somewhere. Where are we supposed to be going? I don't know. I come to my grandma's house every vlog, to be real. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know why, but I be here every day. Every day.
I don't see that's the cake. I was thinking about that cake.
That cake probably gone. But yeah, I probably come here every vlog. Y'all can see me. Hey, Mr. Gary.
What's going on?
Hey, Mr. Gary.
What's she?
I don't think I closed the door. And if I did, I want to go back and check. Nope.
I left his ass right where he was.
Hey, Grandma, what you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, Travia. Look at Mason. He sleep, knocked out, gone. Grandma, how long Mason been asleep? I mean, well,
He just dozed off.
how long he been up? All night?
Now he's still up all night, but I don't know how long he was asleep.
I come over here every time in vlog. Grandma, I want to get my hair done again. It don't look that bad, but it's looking bad.
It don't look bad. You can't
Yeah.
keep getting it twisted. Girl, you're going to break it. What the fuck?
I be feeling like it look bad.
No, it don't look bad.
It look cute.
It look cute. You can't keep doing it. You're going to break it off. Then you're going to be looking like a chicken for real.
Oh, yeah. You probably can't smell it. I smell like weed.
Hey, y'all. Good days for grandma.
It was crazy.
What's that on the back of your butt, baby?
My phone. Well,
Get the good side. I'm a mom.
you still got cake?
I'm gonna eat some. You know what? I had one slice. I had one slice.
Good looking cake.
I had one slice.
I've been eating them grapes.
She said she coming to get Mason.
I think she was in the car. Well, she was in the car when I was talking to her.
Yeah, she said she's. I thought y'all going shoot.
I thought we was too, but Kisa said she ain't going. So
Oh, she got to go to work
she do?
Tomorrow.
Oh,
Oh, I thought it was tonight. Tonight.
I wonder if she got some more grapes. Cause here I go again. I'm finna tell y'all my favorite line. I'm hungry. She do got some grapes. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Like always.
Who cake?
Grandma cake.
Why she got it on the sink like this?
Where?
She worked in Mexico.
She do got it on the sink.
Chilling.
I'm gonna get these grapes out. I got
King
cake.
cake is on his last leg on you.
I think everybody ate it.
I ain't gonna lie. Last night, I was in bed. I was like, dang, I should have got me some cake. But
Grandma, why you left your cake on the ground? I mean, on the counter.
I wonder what they want to eat. And I told her be there at 12 o'clock on the dot.
It's so bad.
Bye, Mason.
He's too mad. Look at him getting in the roll car and everything. He in the roll car. Look at him.
You don't need your
And you go let him do it. She let him close the
You don't
door.
need your badge or nothing out the car, do you?
She is crazy. She just let him get in the car and everything.
So bad.
Like Keisha said. I wonder, can you record, but I don't know. That man got him a little gun. we here, and Dawana still not here. We was waiting on Dawana yesterday. We waiting on Dawana this time. Hey, Dawana, and she need to come on.
Right. What time is it?
12:19.
She gonna be here at 12:15. Her slow driving there. You know she drives slow anyway.
Well, I guess I'll see y'all when I get there. Well, get in. Dawana been here? Look. Dawana, did you bring my gun? You got my stuff? You get my stuff? Is it in the bag? Who you on the phone with? Marcus, say hey. Oh, they can't see you. They can't even see you, but say hey.
He said he can't find you. You didn't get her.
He can't find me. It's my name. It's Deja Smith.
Oh, it's Deja Smith.
I'm on YouTube, y'all. I hope I can record in here. I'm gonna see if I can.
What Keisha made?
She said she wasn't coming because the Falcons game on. And, yep.
Yeah.
The one that need to shoot.
Right.
I finished. And I don't even know if I can record in here, but I finished. And I'm done. Now, I'm about to go get.
Gonna hit the cylinder.
I'm about to get in here for free. Cause, hold on.
Pop the cylinder out.
Let me show you.
There's nothing in there.
Wait a minute. Where's that
On the
now?
table,
I gotta get in here
facing
for free.
downrange, we'll be ready to go.
Awesome. Now, one thing to remember is whenever
I
the
think I
target
lost
is
my
back
card.
and we're at indoor ranges, we're a little spoiled here because there shouldn't be a reason
Oh,
to go
Lord, I gotta get some
firing.
target
The target
bullets.
system itself takes the target
How much is target bullets? Excuse me. How much would target bullets be for a 38?
38. Hey Jason, this is your base.
Big specials on $34.
$34? Mom, you got $34?
I don't even know if my card.
Oh, you want me to pay with my? Oh, okay. I got this too for
I'm
my
happy your ID's up.
my free pass.
Hello.
Zoom in. I'm up. All right, now I got this.
And
Sound like you hate. Don't wanna. Don't keep adding stuff because I don't got the funds.
I got you some glasses, but you'll need some for your ears.
I don't have no glasses.
I got
Oh.
a pair of glasses.
Your eye protection.
I got some.
You got 3?
Oh Lord, the point. I'm still the front way. Look at this. Oh, zoom out.
What's that for? Deja, I'm not. Oh, and
$37. What?
I'm gonna get 3 targets.
Oh, we gotta buy the targets too.
I got what you need.
Okay. Hold on, y'all. Don't. She got enough funds over there. Let me see the targets. I want a cool target.
Finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. And always keep the gun unloaded until you're ready.
Okay. Now I want some bodies.
I be like, keep going.
We hope you take firearm safety.
He talking about I would have been there killed the victim.
I think you just they gonna make me look bad.
It's gonna make you look bad.
Yeah, the baby's gonna keep gluing on. Low down.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. Right here. This right here. Sorry. Yeah. And don't want to go pay for it. This one.
Are you gonna hit the body?
Maybe.
Clown.
You gonna do clown?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the clown.
You don't let your wallet out open.
Right. Alright. I'm excited.
Yeah, we gotta pay for those.
Oh yeah, don't want to pay for that though.
Which ones are free?
No, you gotta pay for them.
Range time is free. Yeah, range time. The hour out there on the range is free. Record them. This for YouTube?
Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Shot my channel.
Pick a target.
You want to? Shot it. Ain't got
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Boomer with Boogie. Hey, you guys check me out. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all one word. Boomer with Boogie, man.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Alright. So y'all need ammo.
Yeah, the bullets.
What caliber?
She needs 38.
38.
What you got for a 9? I got some. but I might
9
need
mil.
some more.
I got a box of 50 for $24.95.
How yours cheaper than mine?
Because they 9 mil, 38 special. 38 special, 357.
Well, I know what gun not to
40,
get.
380 is more than 9 mil. You said 45? Those are $31.95.
I didn't bring that one anyway, so don't worry about it.
You going first, that one?
This is you.
This me? Oh Lord. Oh, my bullets. You need my bullets? All right. This right here. 38. Special.
It's some in there already.
Look how little the gun is. That's the gun I need for myself.
Oh no, this is the wrong one.
That's 38 special. What I was supposed to get?
No, this you have a 38. Go show him this.
All right, give me a second.
He
Got
gave you
a
a
situation.
yeah. Tell him this is what you got.
All right.
And it should be a difference in the price too, right?
Look.
Did he say something about the price?
No, he didn't. Now, we got the right gun. I meant the right bullets, because the one that didn't know what she was talking about.
You have some in here.
Now, let's see.
I don't know.
You know how to take them out, right? Oh, those ready to go? Already?
I ain't never used this one.
Ooh, it's a little baby one. Ooh, Lord. It's ready to go? Don't point it. It got a safety on it?
I'm trying to see, Deja. I ain't never used this one. It's like mine.
Take the bullets out first. Before you do all that.
Where your target?
Right here.
You gotta send it back.
Okay. Push it back. Dang.
How far you going?
Shit. That was loud.
How far you going?
Oh. That scared me.
How far you going?
Don't want to just leave it. It don't matter no more. Because I done got
Wanna go back
scared.
one?
They want to know.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, maybe I can. Y'all ready? Oh, that's good. That was loud. That was loud. Oh my God. You ready? Is it time?
I'm trying to see, Deja.
What the hell he shooting?
Right. God. I can't focus.
Hey, even with opposite, that shit.
Dang, I can't focus. Dang. Oh Lord. I don't know. You ready? Is it time?
Oh yeah.
Is it time?
I can go.
I can shoot. Okay. I'm scared myself.
Take your time.
Everything. think I'm done.
Put it down. You need to move over. I don't think you hitting it.
I did hit something. Hold on, wait. Get. It's. Put it down. Let me. Watch this. Y'all see? That man busting. Huh?
You didn't hit none of the body.
Joanna, don't worry about it.
You body. It's over.
Oh, you. Oh, I'm right. I done hit somebody.
She great.
I tried. I'm so up on him. I don't know what to do.
So yours not.
You ready? It's a small gun. Had to get that. Did you hear something? No. Oh. You did hit the body. You should have did your own paper. You messing up my paper.
You ain't messing it up.
I tried.
Don't hold it.
Bruh, I don't know how to load.
You gotta push it down, push it in. Push it down, push it in. Yeah.
I cannot see. That's why I'm not hitting the targets.
He hit the body.
Joanna,
He hit the body.
he did hit the. I did hit the. I hit the body. I got head. Oh, she hit the body too. She hit the body. Oh yeah. Gonna do? Because she been talking junk the whole time. Let's see where she hit at.
Nothing. Ain't gonna do nothing.
Let's see where you about to hit at. Let's see if you get body.
You got it? Good.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
No, you got it like that. Okay, you ready?
She let out.
Move. Are you aiming at it?
No, I'm trying to get my hands right.
How many you put in?
in there.
He probably loaded.
Right there. Put it in there and then click.
Busting.
No, I can make it. They don't do like no other thing.
Then how you take it out?
Click it like you try to snap it back.
It's a button on the side.
They got a hole. Yeah, I know. I ain't put it on the apple. Yeah, it gets stuck in the train.
Oh Lord.
See, this is my extended clip. It holds more.
My extended clip. I wanna gotta extend it. I want it. It got caught. Yeah. Ain't touching it. When?
That's Marcus.
Where's the left? You don't see that? It's ready to go again?
That was so easy. Like, she told me it got jammed.
No.
Just jammed again.
It's out.
Hers on the couch 7.
I'm out. I'm gonna get in the rhythm now.
Yours hold.
I think I'm gonna get me a
This hold
small gun.
12.
I ain't getting no big
I
gun.
like this one.
I'm gonna give me a small gun because y'all got
This one hold 12. How many that hold?
What size? What size?
So now,
I'm getting body.
This one hold 11. And that one holds 12.
Quad.
Back to the front. Let's go. Then that man said, don't put your...
how about you need help?
That's a shot. 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 That's the type of gun I can have.
Oh, shotgun.
Right. They'll give me a shotgun, but they won't give me that.
I think I heard Chuck.
He asked me too, and I said, I scared.
What is who was that? No Friday.
That was crazy. Dang. Dang.
Y'all finish up out there?
Yep.
Y'all done?
Yep.
How y'all do? How you do?
Terrible.
Terrible.
I shot the wall.
I guess since you showed them how to hold it.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. If you showed us, yeah, it was better.
Yeah, they give you a little bit more control. You can fire on, you
Right.
control it, you
I
stand
just
there.
want to get used to being scared of it. 'Cause I'm scared. I
Yeah.
don't like to load
Right.
Right.
and cock it. I don't know how. I don't
You
know.
never took a class? Take it in the
Yeah. Well, wait, give me my headphones back. I gotta go in there. He want me to get him, and I'm gonna get him.
Oh.
You got to subscribe to mine too now.
All right, hold on. Here,
She
ma.
just getting started, so don't be
He's on my
looking at my
phone.
best page like damn.
Oh no.
Yes.
I just started in April. But
I don't know nobody who go over there for this.
Okay. Hold on. I gotta put on my head. I mean, my glasses.
Hold on.
All right, there we go.
Come on. Yeah.
I'll take this.
Come on. It's loaded.
Okay. How you shoot it?
Point and shoot. Press the button. Press the trigger.
That's it?
Hold on to it.
Hold on to it.
It's about to blow me.
Hold on to
Hold
it.
on to it.
I'm scared.
Dang!
Okay.
Whoa!
Yeah.
So you had your experience, huh?
That was enough.
That was crazy.
Did you get a good shot of her?
You got me good?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Oh my God, that was crazy. That was a big old kickback. I was scared. Oh, okay, then one.
We recommend
That shotgun was crazy. He talking about some hold on to it. Yeah, I see why. That was a big boy.
Big blowback.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. That was cool though. That was cool. I should have shot it again, but I was too scared. I was too scared. And I wanted to see him do it. Oh, give him a rope.
Y'all crazy. Oh, who bullets I got?
Yours.
Oh, these are
You
mine.
shot one set. That's the other set, and I shot
Here.
one.
You got YouTube?
We got
What's your YouTube? I like your camera.
I'm gonna sub you too.
Oh, how much you pay for your camera? Your camera nice. Yeah, sound about right. Introduce yourself.
So YouTube, Solo and Camo. What's your name?
Deja.
Deja.
Nice to meet you too. I'm just starting, so don't do me.
Yeah, I'm just starting too.
All right, nice to meet you.
Look, Deja. We got
Look, she said she want Denver. You gotta start
You gotta call him Denver.
Who?
The one with the white feet.
Look what we got. You see him?
Oh hell no.
What is that?
A bearded dragon.
Them dragons that used to be on the island in Florida.
Oh Lord, no, I ain't getting that. The one of you is crazy.
This ain't mine, so they better come out here.
I'm back home. Nah, I'm back home though. I guess I'm finna end this vlog off. I want to show y'all my little man. Look at this. I ain't do all that by myself, but I did do it though. I did hit some of them. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna end this vlog off. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all day with me. See y'all in the next one.